Mayday! Mayday! Engine failure! We're going down! Someone! Anyone! Help!
Blaze! That plane is in trouble! But it's so HIA! How can we help?
I don't know, AJ! I can't reach that high! I can't fly! Did someone say they need help in the SKY?
Spider-Man's here, but that's really high, even for me.
Dimensional portal! Long story. But that plane needs help now. Got any ideas?
Wait! Blaze! Remember the E-experimental upgrade from Gabby's lab? The one we never tested? You mean?
The jet plane mode? But AJ, we don't know if it works.
Only one way to find out. Blaze! It's time!
Hey, here goes nothing! Blazing transformation activated!
The coolest thing I've ever seen. And I've seen a lot of cool things. I have wings and jet engines. This feels amazing.
Okay, I have wings. But I've never flown before. How do I?
Just team frack them? Flap them? Like a bird?
No, Spidey. Planes don't flap. They use thrust and lift. Your jet engines create TH and your wings create lift.
Easy there, Speed Racer. Try smaller bursts. Hey.
Not bad for a first-timer. Now let's save that plane. Follow me!
There are no buildings up here. Nothing to swing from. Mind if I hitch a ride? Hop on, Spidey. There's room in my cockpit. This is awesome! I'm riding a flying monster truck with a Kid Genius hologram. Best day ever!
There! I see it!
That engine fire looks bad. I can web it to put it out. Get me close.
Out. Thank you. But we're still falling. The engine is completely dead. We need PO'er. Blaze, can you push the plane? Give it extra thrust to stay airborne?
I can try, but I've never pushed something this big.
Engaging the maximum thrust. Here we go!
It's so heavy!
I'll help. Pulling UP with web strength.
There's an emergency landing strip, 15 miles north. But you need to GUI the plane there. We can do that. Spidey, you steer with your webs. I'll provide the power.
Okay, plane, listen to me. We're your new engines. Turn left, NOW.
I see it! I see the runway!
You saved 200 lives! How can we ever thank you?
Uh-oh.
New emergency! There's a villain in the sky! He's stolen experimental tech!
No one can catch me up here! I'm unstoppable!
He's right. I can't reach him. But I can! Transforming to jet mode!
Room for one more?
Always! Hop in!
He's fast, but we're faster. Hit the turbo. Blazing speed. Activated.
What? A flying truck? That's impossible! Now give back what you stole! One down! He's heading for the city! If he crashes, people could get hurt! I would have gotten away, if not for that flying truck. Blaze, that was incredible. You learned to fly in one day. You're amazing. I couldn't have done it without you, Spidey. We make a great team.
Sometimes we have abilities we don't know about. Blaze always see-ud transform into a plane, but he never T-ride before.
I was scared, but today I learned. You never know what you can do until you try. Well? Honorary Spider Friend badge for the coolest flying truck I know.
Thanks, Spidey.
And here, honorary Blaze team member.
Anytime, Blaze.
See you in the friendly skies. I'm upside down! Why is the sky below me? And it all started because I tried something new. Something scary. Hey, Blaze! How's the flying going? Oh, and I'm sending you coordinates. There's someone I want you to meet. Looks like our sky adventures are just beginning.